If you're getting ready to sell your house and want it to stand out, you're in the right place. Hey there, my name is Kasha and I'm a home staging expert, and I created this free guide called How to Start Staging Your Home Now. Let me walk you through exactly what you'll find inside this guide so you can start staging with confidence today. In section 1, we talk about how home staging can influence home buyers. We kick things off with the facts. Real home staging statistics that show how staging impacts buyer perception and your bottom line. Spoiler alert, it makes a huge difference. Section 2 is where we talk about making a staging plan. Now this is really important for you to get started because without a plan, nothing goes through. Because let's be honest, selling a home can feel overwhelming and stressful. So by making a plan, you know exactly what you need to work on to get your house ready to sell. In this section, I'll help you think through your timeline so you can schedule things like repairs, cleaning, and staging tasks before the stress hits. A little planning now can save you major headaches later. In section 3, we talk about the top home improvements that will help sell your home. We're talking upgrades. But don't worry, it's not as bad as you think it might be. You actually might be surprised by the things that I suggest that you work on in order to help sell your house faster. These are smart, cost-effective improvements that make a big visual impact. Section 4 is my favorite part, where we talk about top 10 home staging tips. Now this is going to let you roll up your sleeves. You're going to get going and start staging your house now with these 10 tips. Something you can work on with your schedule that you're planning, right? From decluttering to making your rooms feel bigger and brighter, these quick wins help buyers instantly connect with your home. This guide is short, actionable, and totally free. So if you're even thinking about selling, you want to start working on this right now. You'll feel more organized, more confident, and one step closer to sold. The download link is in the description below, so make sure you click on that. Subscribe to my channel so you can get more home staging tips every week.